What happens when a company that once stood for Germany's post-war industrial success begins to lose ground in every major market, from China to the United States? Volkswagen is not just facing a business slowdown, it is battling for survival. And how this plays out may reshape global manufacturing as we know it. Volkswagen, Europe's largest car maker, is facing a storm of rising costs, falling competitiveness, and internal chaos. But this is not just about Volkswagen. Over 250,000 factory jobs have disappeared in Germany in the last 5 years. The company's struggles reflect a much bigger issue: the weakening foundation of European manufacturing. The shift from petrol and diesel to electric vehicles, or EVs, is not a trend, it is a necessity. The European Union has announced that by the year 2035, no new petrol or diesel cars can be sold, but Volkswagen's response to this challenge has been shaky. Their electric ID series, especially the ID.3, received poor reviews. Buyers complained about limited battery range and buggy software. To fix this, Volkswagen poured 12 billion euros into a new software division called Cariad, but the project missed key deadlines, failed to deliver, and caused internal confusion. In 2024, the company accepted reality and partnered with United States-based EV company Rivian in a $5 billion joint venture, an admission that they could not fix the problem alone. China used to be Volkswagen's crown jewel. It sold more cars there than any other foreign brand. But in 2024, it lost its lead to Chinese electric vehicle makers like BYD, NIO, and Xiaopeng. These companies build smart electric cars with integrated apps and semi-autonomous features. Just what tech-savvy Chinese consumers want. Volkswagen fell behind because it did not focus on digital innovation soon enough. Now, it is trying to rebuild its reputation. It is setting up research centers in China and teaming up with local players like Xiaopeng. But winning back lost trust will not be easy. Back home in Germany, things are also difficult. In 2023, Volkswagen announced it would reduce production by 750,000 cars a year and cut 35,000 jobs. Workers pushed back. Strikes erupted. Eventually, a compromise was made, no forced layoffs, but workers had to improve productivity. This left Volkswagen's German operation stuck. It needs to cut costs to stay competitive globally, but its hands are tied. Before moving ahead, if you are finding this breakdown valuable and want more high-quality financial content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps us reach more curious minds like yours. Moving back to our topic, one major reason Volkswagen struggles to make fast changes is its unique governance structure, which dates back to after World War II. The Porsche family owns a majority of the company's voting rights, giving them a powerful say in decisions. Meanwhile, the German state of Lower Saxony owns 20% of Volkswagen and holds what is known as veto power. This means it can block major decisions. Lower Saxony is a state in northwestern Germany where Volkswagen has large factories and thousands of jobs, so it has a strong political interest in the company's operations. Adding to the complexity, workers control half the company's board seats due to German corporate law. This structure was designed to protect jobs and ensure fairness, but today it slows down critical decisions. Investors say this makes Volkswagen less competitive. And that is not all. Volkswagen is also vulnerable to United States trade policy. President Donald Trump has proposed high tariffs on European cars, which could hurt Volkswagen's business in America. While the company has built more factories in the United States, it still relies heavily on its German plants. If trade tensions rise, Volkswagen could get caught in the crossfire. So, what is next? Volkswagen plans to launch a low-cost electric car, the ID.1, by 2027 for about 20,000 euros to compete globally. It is investing in China-focused research and partnerships, it is rethinking its United States strategy, and it is finally opening up to outside collaboration, like the Rivian deal, to close the innovation gap. Volkswagen is not just a car company. It is a symbol of the traditional German industrial model. If Volkswagen fails to evolve, the entire system that powered Germany's post-war success could come undone. The next 2 to 3 years will be crucial, not just for Volkswagen, but for Europe's role in the world economy. If you found this analysis useful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this with others who care about the global economy. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more smart, clear financial insight you will not get anywhere else.